Welcome to lifts in Munro Benge house. These are generics, per usual. Obviously these take a while to respond. Let's go to 8. Yeah, I think he's on the iPad, so I don't have to do it for a while. Yeah, these are obviously what old OTIS generate about a cap size. Until OTIS Modernised probably Modernised them again, or Schindler did. Here we are, 8. Oh, I'm going to have it even twice. And actually, let's come over here, because look, the original, yep, these are actually OTIS's, because look, that's the original tool indicator of the mixture of juice. Let's go to ground. Yeah, original floor indicators on all the other floors apart from the ground floor. That's interesting and weird. But yeah, at least that's the only good feature on these lifts. Go out ground. And yeah, basement is obviously open, so we can just wash that. Go down to the basement. So yeah, these lifts used to be old OTIS's until these guys ruined it. And yeah, that's it.